Hi friends, good to see you all after a long time. I have not posted any video in the last few months as I was very busy. I was busy shooting for a Tamil series in the last 5-6 months. Though I wanted to post videos, I couldn't manage both of them. I would like to share here that I was a theatre artist before my marriage, and recently, in the past 3-4 years, I have revived my acting career, and that is why I was busy. Hopefully, I will be able to post videos more regularly from now on. Thank you all for being supportive and staying on with my channel. So in my last video, I've shown the unboxing of the Philips air fryer, and in continuation to that, in this video, I'm going to explain the parts, functions and the control panel of this air fryer. In the end of the video, I'm also going to show making of ready to fry frozen snacks which can also be made in the air fryer. So please watch till the end of the video. Although I've been looking at an air fryer since many years, I was not very keen to buy one for myself as I've been having many cooking and heating appliances like the convection microwave oven, induction, etc. But recently, my father gifted an air fryer for Diwali, and that's how it has landed in my kitchen now. Should one go in for an air fryer? Well, that's a matter of individual choice. If you're a person who loves to eat fried food but you're worried about your calories, then air fryer is a solution for that. Because you can enjoy a fried food with hardly any oil in it. And from whatever little I have used, I can confidently say that the taste of the air fried food is almost the same as the one which is fried in oil. So here I would like to mention a matter of concern associated with air fryers. There are reports that starchy food air fried above 200 degrees centigrade form acrylamide, which is carcinogenic. I've also read that acrylamide is formed while roasting coffee and frying foodstuff like French fries, potato chips, etc. And it's also found in breakfast cereals. I'm not here to discuss for or against air fryers. I'm posting this video for the benefit of my viewers who are interested to know more details about this product. So this is the Philips Air Fryer HD9252, and this happens to be the latest model with touch panel and digital display, which is different from the dial control seen in earlier Philips models. Although there are numerous brands of air fryers available at much lesser prices, we decided to go for Philips as we felt they are making air fryers for many years now. I have shared the buying link in the description in case you wish to buy the same. As you can see, it is a countertop or a tabletop appliance. It is very compact and does not occupy much space. It's taking only so much space. And its dimensions are 36 centimeter length and 26.4 centimeters width and 29.5 centimeters in height. And the weight of the appliance is 4.55 kgs. So the air fryer comes with a 15 amp plug like this, and it needs a 3-pin socket like this. So they've given a very long power cord. It is 1.8 meters in length. You can see it's quite long. And the power rating of this air fryer is 1400 watts. So basically, an air fryer is an heating appliance with air inlet on top and air outlet at the back. So we have to make sure that it is kept at a place with sufficient space on all sides, especially at the rear and on the top. Coming to the parts, there's not much in this air fryer. There are only two parts. One is a main body, which is made of plastic, which has got the control panel. And there is a pull-out pan with basket. For removing the pan, you have to just pull this out. I'm just holding for support here. So to remove the basket, I just slide this cover, and by pressing this, I lift it up. So this is the basket and this is the pan. And for placing it back, just slide it and then lock it like this. So if we look at the function, the basket is where we load the food to be fried. And the pan basically acts as an enclosure for the basket and also helps in air circulation around the basket. So air fryer operation is like this. There is an heating element and fan inside. So this blows hot air vertically downwards on the food in the basket. So the hot air passes through the food and the openings. These are the openings in the basket and circulates around. So this curved projection at the base helps in twirling the air uniformly around. So this is almost similar to a convection oven. The heat cooks the food and the radiation from the heating element browns and fries the food. Thus you get the effect and taste of fried food without actually frying it in oil. So the control panel is very simple. It has a touch panel. There is a power on off button. It also acts as a start stop button. So when you press this, you get this bright orange LED display. From the display you can see that there are only few controls. This up down arrow is for temperature. You can see the temperature symbol here. So from the minimum temperature is 60 and maximum is 200. So this is for temperature increase decrease. This button is for time increase decrease. You can see the symbol here. It can increase in steps of 1 minute, from 1 minute to 60 minutes maximum. And this is the menu button. So this menu button is for selecting these 7 preset menus. You've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 preset menu by pressing it repeatedly. So once you have pressed, you've got the first one. So you can select these by pressing repeatedly the 7 preset options. And this one is a reheating option. So the details of these options are given in the user manual. So we just put the food of the given weight, choose any of these options and press start. Press the start button. The temperature and time duration are chosen automatically. So for example, I want to make muffins. So this is the muffin option. We can make up to 7 muffins of 50 grams each by choosing this option. Unfortunately, there is no recipe book for this air fryer. A small user manual which came with the air fryer said that there is a NutriU app by Philips which is available for both iOS and Android. But when we tried to download it, it said that this app is not available for India. So I'm going to make this Amul Happy Treat Veggie Stix. I'm going to follow this air fryer method. So it's given preheat for 200 degrees centigrade and then bake. The weight of this pack is 425 grams and I'm going to do it in 2 parts. So you can see there are 13 pieces. So I'm doing 7 once and 6 the second time. So you can say around 225 grams once and 200 the next time. So you can say roughly 20 minutes for 200 grams or 10 minutes for 100 grams. I'm just switching on. So increase to 200. I'll just keep for first 5 minutes and then press start. Brushing it with oil. They have not mentioned anything like that, but I am doing it for better results. So the last 1 minute is going down in seconds. So after this I can take this out, the container out, and I'll place this. There are 13 pieces, so I'll keep 7 initially. I'm selecting the temperature and then the time. 7 pieces, I'll keep 21 minutes and then I'll press start. So as per instructions here, they've asked to bake approximately 4 pieces of this veggie stick for 12 to 15 minutes or until it turns light golden color, and I have to shake in between for 2-3 times at least. But I have taken, I've kept 7 pieces, assuming it takes 3 minutes for each piece. That's why I've kept for 21 minutes. So out of 21 minutes, 7 minutes are over. So I plan to shake it a bit. So 7 more minutes over. It's almost done. Keep for 7 more minutes. Hear the sound. So you can see that it is ready. It is crispy and crunchy. So I have this Hara Veggie Kabab, Safal brand, and this is 200 grams. But there is no air fryer method given in this, only the fry method is there. So I'm going to try out myself. So there are in all 10 pieces. I'll go for the preset method this time. These are not supposed to be thawed. I'll select this. The first option is for frozen potato based snacks. It goes to 22 minutes and that is for 500 grams. So so it is 180 degrees. Maybe I can reduce the time to 20. Let me try 20 and start. 10 minutes are over. So this time I'm not coated with oil and I use the preset menu. So it's ready in 20 minutes. Ready. So 200 grams. So you can say roughly 100 grams takes 10 minutes. And this has been in 180 degrees, not 200. Tamarind date chutney here. Hope you liked watching this video and also find it useful. I just recently started trying out my own recipes in this air fryer. As and when I perfect them, I'll keep uploading them. So please stay tuned. Thank you for watching and thank you for all your love and support. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's Mona signing off. Bye bye.